helped us work through the process of getting the website set up and how to work it and manage it. A lot of people remember putting an advertisement in the newspaper or word of mouth, and that word of mouth has changed. There's still people out there that talk and make those connections, but our new advertisement's not in the newspapers as much anymore as it is on the website.
Gives us a place to send people to, right? I've been working with the lady through Farm Bureau on like social media marketing, and the website gives us a place to send people.
It was smooth. It was smooth and easy, and
when they were ready, I was able to go in and change some things on the website. It was just like, oh sweet, it works.
and we're hoping that with more time and more connections to people, that it'll be easy and impactful. Really good.
Yeah.
Really good.
I felt like you guys were very patient with us. I mean, maybe we didn't deserve it. We had a hard time getting some of our ducks in a row on some things. And like, you guys, we need this. And it's like, oh, okay. But it helped give us a direction. So we really appreciate the guidance and just being walked through it. Yeah.
It does take time. I feel it's valuable time.
Yeah, it's worth it.